Hi all, and welcome to the third video in the chord inversion series of little uke lessons. This is the third lesson, and because we did D flat last week and we're following the chromatic scale, this week we're going to explore the D chord. And most of you would probably know the common D chord, which is basically all on the second fret. So we do the second string, second fret, third string, second fret, and fourth string, second fret. So that's your normal standard garden variety D chord. Everyone knows, a lot of people know that chord. So that's the first position D chord. Then what we're going to do for the first inversion is the true C shape, and but move it up one more fret from the lesson we did on D flat. So as I mentioned in the last video, that's your true C, that's your C chord that you know, but the true shape is actually finger on the A string, 2 frets gap, and then a bar chord. But because the C is so far down, the bars come off the end, so it's actually not in play. So we don't often play the C like that, we just do it like that, or whatever finger you're using. However, that's the C shape. And the first inversion of the D chord, we use that C shape. So if that's C, we slide up one, that's got to be D flat, and we slide up one more, and there we have it. We have a D chord. So it's a bar over the second fret, a 2 fret gap, and then once again the finger goes down on the A string, like so. So that is our first inversion of our D chord. Now the next inversion is another very familiar chord shape to you, and that's the B flat shape, and we're going to bring the B flat shape starting it on the 5th fret, and that becomes our second D chord inversion. You can either play it like that, which is your B flat shape, or you can play it like your true A shape, which is a fretted 5th fret, and then behind that bar chord you put the A shape behind it. So either that way or that way, it's the same thing. So there's your 3 Ds. So we've got D down there, then we've got our C shape starting on the 3rd fret, and then we got our B flat shape starting on the 5th fret, or the A shape, whatever feels more comfortable to you to play. So there's your 3 D chords that we're looking at. When I started this series, I started off with the open C and then 2 inversions. So we'll keep that trend going all the way through this series of inversions. So you've got your open D and 2 inversions. And as I mentioned in the last video, if you haven't actually watched the first video, one titled C Inversions, then maybe you should check it out. And in there I explain a little bit about why it's important to learn chord inversions and a few simple ways of how to apply them in your uke playing. So I hope you enjoyed the third lesson on D inversions. Thank you.